We are going to be making S'mores Rice Krispie Treats today. What you're going to need is 14 to 16 ounce bag of Mini Marshmallows, 6 tablespoons of butter, 5 cups of Rice Krispies, half a cup of chocolate chips, and 3 to 6 sheets of graham crackers. To begin, I'm going to cut the butter off that I will need for the recipe. Use the remaining to butter a 9 by 13 inch heat-proof pan. You can use non-stick spray as well. Grab a large pot and turn your burner to medium-low heat. Add 6 tablespoons of butter and heat until completely melted. Add the marshmallows, stirring constantly until they are completely melted. Remove from heat and add the Rice Krispies to the pan and stir gently until the Krispies are covered. Pour the mixture into your prepared pan. Pat down until even. This is the best original Rice Krispie treat recipe you will find. Continuing on with the recipe, sprinkle the chocolate chips evenly over the treats. Top with half a cup of marshmallows. You could really throw on as many as you'd like. This gives it the great toasted marshmallow flavor. Turn on your oven to broil and bake for 1 to 2 minutes or until the marshmallows are golden brown. Here's Brayden making sure I don't burn them. Break off chunks of your graham cracker and press them into your treats. Cool completely before cutting into squares.
I hope you enjoy this video. Please give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Like us on Instagram.
Brayden, you're eating my video. What are you doing? What is this? What is this? Are you eating all the graham crackers for the S'mores Rice Krispies? Huh? What is this? Bites taken out. I have to get new.